So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 96,800 right now, and there is not much movement whatsoever in Bitcoin. And sadly, Bitcoin is sitting below our sweet area of 97,300. At least the only good thing I'm seeing in Bitcoin is that at least it's not giving any false hope. We are following the concept of 2 days with it, that it needs to form 2 daily candles above this. Of course, if it's with body and a bit more strength and size, that would be really helpful. But even if it's wicks, we will still rely. But XRP is not, Bitcoin is not disappointing us, and it's not doing any of that. If it forms one candle above it, it forms a second candle below it. So we are not confused about the direction. Now, until and unless we don't see 97,300 being conquered, I cannot talk about $100,000 or any upward journey. And that's pretty much it. By the way, happy Valentine's Day to you guys, if it is something that I have to wish you for. So happy Valentine's Day. Other than that, the market has taken the very strange pattern journey to itself. From past 3 weeks, I'm noticing that market stays bad from the start of the week, and it starts getting a little bit better only in the end of the week, only to get bad. I'll explain it in terms of days. So it starts getting better on Friday and Saturday, and then it starts getting crappy from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday is kind of a gift. Either it moves sideways, or it can stay bad, or it can start showing little bit signs of improvement. Those 2 days, they are ambiguous, but generally whenever it is Friday, the market is green. I have not seen a Friday that the market hasn't turned a little green. So the market tries to make the make it overall greener, and Saturday continues to give you the hope. But of course, Sunday always endorses that it is a bad day, it is a bad time, and then Monday just reflects what Sunday has already shown. This has happened to us already for 3 weeks now. I did notice it last week as well, but this just further confirms it. So if you are someone who follows patterns, I think this is, if anything, this is an indicative that okay, Saturday might be nicer as well, only to prepare for Sunday. But we have our own levels. To be very frank, I'm not bothered with it. The only thing that I see here right now is that if Bitcoin goes down this time towards $90,000, at least we have one good thing. We have a double top, and this is a very clean one top, second top. It will really help us to push down towards $85,000. So things are becoming really juicy, and there is more hope that if we start going down, the journey is going to be clean, and we wouldn't see any more drama this time, and we would have our downward movement with rather comfort instead of ambiguity. And even if you put it from the perspective of the downward trend line, the trend line is still holding on. It is still living under it. Even though there is a double bottom, it's in a very smaller time frame. Even if it delivers, it will deliver a little bit higher here, but then it will go down to it. I'll tell you the delivery on this one, so you don't think you're feeling you are left out. It can shoot up to 100K on this double bottom structure. The neckline of this thing is at 98,000. So basically, it needs to break 98,000. If you see that it is breaking 98,000 even for 4 hours, you don't need more confirmation. It's a very small size double bottom. So if you see that it spends 4 hours above it, one 4-hour candle closes above 98,000, you should assume it is shooting towards $100,000 on the basis of this double bottom structure. Other than that, I don't see any other form of bullishness in it. That's the only hope that I can find in a chart that is on a downward trend, is this double bottom. Other than this, we are done and dusted. We are still sticking to our level story of 97,300. We want that to be conquered so we could talk about 100K, then 110 and 120. If that is not happening, we can only talk about 85, and that's Bitcoin for you. And sorry, I wasn't here yesterday. I was looking for a home. I made an offer. I'm buying a second home for my mother. This year I want to buy 3 more homes, so she has a total of 5 homes. So I was out to see that place, made an offer, they accepted the offer. Now I have to do inspection. If things go right, I'll be done with this. So I wouldn't be take any middle days of the week off. I'll continue to make videos. Anyway, good luck to you guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.